Hey YouTubers, Stressed Out 72 here. Our furnace has been running for a total of 30 minutes, 40 minutes. It's still around 580, 600 degrees. I wanted to show you the exhaust coming out of here, and it just kind of gives you one way to adjust for a rich or a lean fuel mixture. So the temperature inside my shop is 41 degrees, and outside here it's 30 degrees. There's the exhaust. So it's still a little bit rich, and it'll kind of be like that for the next 20 minutes. So all we'll have to really do to get it to running at an optimum temperature and optimum fuel setting is to adjust the needle valve for your oil and the blower going into this 2-inch pipe. And once we get that adjusted right, within an hour of it running, we'll never have to touch it the rest of the day. So just wanted to show you that. Thanks for watching.